Hi everyone. In today's video, we will discuss the various components available in Power BI. First, we have a Power BI Desktop, a Windows-based desktop application. As a Power BI developer, you will be spending most of your time using this tool. You can connect to numerous data sources, transform and model data, and create visualizations. Once the report development is complete in Power BI, you can publish it to Power BI service. The second component is the Power BI service, a web portal where you can collaborate with other developers and share your reports with end users. In the Power BI service, you can perform limited operations on the report, such as updating filters and bookmarks. Finally, we have Power BI Mobile, which allows you to access your visualizations on mobile devices. This ensures that you can view and interact with your reports anytime, anywhere. Let's quickly see how both Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service applications looks like. This is how a Power BI Desktop application looks like. Here you can see that you can get data from different data sources, and you can model the data once you import your data sets inside the tool, and then you can work on the visualizations after that. So as a simple demo, let me import some sample data provided by Microsoft, and let us publish that data set to Power BI service and see how it looks like. So let me import the data set. So I'm importing this Excel file now. You will be able to preview the dataset before loading it. Don't worry about this UA as of now. We will see about this in detail in the upcoming videos. So to load the data, you can directly click on load, or else you can click on transform data. Now it will open Power Query Editor, in which we can transform our dataset as per our needs. Yes, you can see the columns available in this data set: segment, country, product, and a few metrics also, like gross sales, discounts, sales. So if we want to add any new columns, we can add them, or if we want to remove any rows, we can do that. Any transformations like pivoting the data or unpivoting few columns, those kind of transformations, we can do it here. For now, let me load this data set and do a simple visualization. Now data has been loaded. We can start with our visualization. If you want to see the data which got loaded, you can see the data set in the table view. And if you have more than one table and you want to model them, that means if you want to build relationship between those data sets, right? Then that you can do it in the model view. So if I click on model view, then it will yeah, let me click on model view. Since we have only one table here, it is showing financials table only. If you have any other data sets, right, you can join them here. So let me start with the visualization. So I want to keep only one or two visuals for this demo. Let us take product one. Yeah. Now, in addition to that, let us take a few more metrics. We can take unit sold, sales, and profit for it. Now I got all three columns here. Now I want to slice this data based on country. So I can add one slicer visual. Then I can add a country inside this. So Now, if I want to see the data only for Canada, then I can click on this country. Based on that, the data set will change. Okay. Now, let me quickly publish this report to a Power BI service, and there we can see this report and we can interact with it. Before publishing it to Power BI service, right, we need to save this file. So I'm naming it as test, and I'm publishing this to my workspace. You can see that this report has been successfully published to Power BI service. Now we can go to Power BI service and check this. So to access Power BI service, right, you need to go to this URL app.powerbi.com. Inside this, you will be able to see all your reports. See, now I just published this test report, right? It started appearing here. So if I click on this report, then we will be able to see the visuals which we developed earlier in the Power BI desktop. Yeah, you can see that while publishing the report, we selected a Germany country, right? That is why it is still there. I can change it to Canada and see the data sets. So if you want to change anything in this visual, right, you can go to edit, and you can, even though these are limited options, you will be able to modify this and save it. For example, I want to filter out the data, okay, you for a specific country, then I can add that filter here. So instead of the slicer, I want to see the data set only for the Canada. So if I select that, this entire data set will change. See, we are seeing data only for Canada and France now. If I want, I can save this report. Report got saved. And whatever the visualizations we are doing, right? Currently it is showing in the form of desktop. But if you want to change this to mobile layout, right, we can do that. So if I click on this button, then it will give me the mobile layout, and I can select the visuals and place them and arrange them. So when I access this content from my mobile device, right? So this is how this is the order in which they appear. Yeah. So you can change the layout between a mobile and your computer as well. So that's it for this video. This is a small demo on different components in Power BI. So hopefully you got some understanding at high level. So we will discuss them in detail in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.